strange sounds this time in Oklahoma. A town was puzzled as bizarre sounds ring out throughout the night. Shrills, piercing screech sounds, and they can't be pinpointed. While sound is a part of everyday life for most people, all sounds are certainly not created equal. A lot of them are annoying, even if you don't have misophonia, the hatred of loud noises. Nails on a chalkboard, your dog licking itself in the middle of the night, semi-trucks honking, things like that. But some residents in Luther, Oklahoma are saying there's a new grating sound in the neighborhood, a shrill, piercing screech that's even keeping some of them from sleeping at night. One local woman, Louise Miller, told KFOR-TV that it's been going on for weeks now. She says it sounds so loud, it's a loud shrill. It's just this really annoying sound. It keeps waking him up in the middle of the night, and it's why I'm really upset about this. Neighbor Whitney Harbour, who lives between Luther and Wellston, agreed that the constant noise is aggravating. Harbour said, it's so loud. It's been going on day and night, so it's really frustrating and it's really annoying. We have a sound machine, and I've just been turning it up really loud. Otherwise, we won't be able to sleep. Harbour added that the intensity of the noise changes, and it sounds like machinery, but no one seems to be able to find the source of this. Miller said, so I've been driving around, going down the side streets to figure out where it's coming from, but it's hard to pinpoint where it is coming from. Both women have tried reaching out to different groups in the area, but no one seems to know what the sound is or how to stop it. Shelley Dobson in the area from time to time said she heard the screeching as well. She said it's annoying, it was loud, it's enough to get your attention and go, what is that? And she tried to contact an oil company that has pressure in the area, and it said that would send a crew to check out things. People commented on Facebook. Share for KFOR-TV article February 8th had a variety of suggestions for the source, ranging from, of course, aliens and Bigfoot to oil and gas compressors. Legend has it that it's the sound of new residents of Choctaw driving over potholes for the first time. One reader offered supposedly the shrill or screams carry for miles. This is from Western Journal. It's on WND. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.